Do you already see that you are more confident in creating your own logic?
Yeah.
Okay, so what helped you to be more confident? Because before you did not do your own programs, like you were not able to create your own algorithms. So as you say, this methodology, this system really helps you to come up with your own.
Yeah. So this thought process behind, even if you are good at logic, but when we have to solve the bigger problems, and then you kind of know the logic, but still when you start writing directly, and then everything falls apart when you are facing a lot of issues. So instead of that, this big logic, you put into smaller logical components, write it down in your own language. This is like, your language convert into a programming language. So
exactly.
that becomes really easy.